What's up, guys? How are you? What's going on? What's up, guys? Where are you guys from? Tony, thanks for that, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Bitcoin is headed back up to the moon. North Carolina, Clearwater, CA, Australia. Yes, Dogecoin is blasting off. Cairns. H-Town, shout out. Tony, what's going on with you, bro? Appreciate that pledge. Very thankful for that. We're going to be doing some technical analysis on Dogecoin here in just a minute. How much do I think Ether will be in 2 months? In 2 months, in 60 days, I would like to see a 3,500 Ether. KT, what's up, man? I appreciate that. How's everybody doing tonight? I'm sure you guys are pretty relieved to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, our favorite cryptocurrencies, head back up. Yeah, guys, we got beat down pretty bad. To see the market beat down, our stocks were beat down, our cryptocurrencies took a beating. But congratulations to all of you who bought that dip. That's awesome. You know, that dip was kind of scary because we could have seen another crash. You know, our cryptos could have took a further dip down. But it's good that we held support. We didn't break down those levels. We came back up. Let's go ahead and pull a 5-minute chart. This is Dogecoin, guys. We're on a 5-minute chart. If we take a look here at the 1 hour chart, Dogecoin is holding above all the EMA ribbons, which means that Dogecoin is trending very strongly, that we have some very strong price action. That means that we're going to continue to go up until we break below. We're going to continue to go up until we break below this EMA ribbon. James, I appreciate that, man. So thankful for that. But get off the fence with what? Deciding whether to get into Bitcoin or Ethereum, cryptos, or... When do I think is the next dip? Let's go ahead and revert back to Bitcoin for that question. When do I think is the next dip? That's a great question. Personally, based on our market conditions with the stimulus getting passed in the House and they're trying to get it done, I see us trending upwards. I certainly see us trending upwards. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now. And we can tell, look, we're above these EMA ribbons, guys. That's some pretty strong price movement. So we're in a bullish pattern. We're going to be continuing bullish for a while until we break down. We could break down tomorrow. You never know. But I think we're going to come up and test some key levels, like 52. Then we have another level of resistance, 54. We're going to have to come and test these levels and see if we get rejected, see if we can break them. But it's looking pretty good for us. This is Cardano. No, that's not Cardano. This is Cardano. Oh, we broke down a little bit. $1.22. When is the next Dogecoin dip? James Elson said, holding on to my money in offset and following traditional financial advice. That's awesome, man. Stuart, man, I appreciate that so much. Thank you. I'm gonna start doing some more live streams, guys. But if we take a look at Cardano, today we have the update, the Merry Hard Fork. But prior to the update, we were all thinking after the update, you know, it's probably gonna blast off. But all of this expectation in here, guys, all of this hope, even when Bitcoin was going down, even when Ethereum, Dogecoin was getting beaten down, Cardano continued to rise. And that was a lot of FOMO and everything else, a lot of institutional buying. And that priced in the hard fork. So the price of the hard fork was already right here, guys. But I'm still very bullish on Cardano. And I think Cardano is going to be, we might see further levels, guys. We might break down a little bit. But in the relative short term, if you guys check out my video tonight, I just posted on Cardano. Cardano's going to be taking off here pretty soon. But these are some pretty good discounts. This is a great discount. I would certainly buy at this level here. I would buy here and here. So the next level under it would be 19 cents, $1.19. We have $1.18. Another level of support, $1.09. And if you get into $1, I would put all my money into it. What's up, Kumar? Love you too, bro. Any hope for 88 now? Absolutely. I love Cardano. Cardano does need to move. It will move, so don't worry about that. Switch up the music here. Should be fine. Guys, look how much of a bounce we had with Bitcoin. And the same thing follows true for Ethereum, Dogecoin. Saw greater movement in Dogecoin. But check this out, guys. Let's see how much we dipped. We went all the way down and we came back all the way up. Let's see how much of a movement that was for Bitcoin. 16%, guys. 16%. That's incredible. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Actually, let's look at Litecoin first. Litecoin, 17%. Let's look at XRP. XRP is looking nice, guys. Look at this. 15%. BNB, let's look at this. Wow, look at this. Wow. That's incredible, guys. BNB bounced 36%. Let's look at Ravencoin. Let's see how much of a bounce we had here. $55%. That's incredible. And let's check out Ethereum. I'm guessing we had about a 20%. It should be about 20%. 25% Ethereum. That's beautiful, guys. So we have currently, after the drop, we have Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin again. Very interesting. And last but not least, let's look at Dogecoin. 16%, just like Bitcoin. Yes, Prometheus. Love the show. Anything under $2 for ADA and 0.08 for Doge is a steal. Don't get left behind. I love that. Very well said. Is it true Doge is a fork of Litecoin? That's a good question. I need to check that out. If you can find the answer to that, get back to me. Let me know. So I have music that's like non-copyrighted and it just like plays through it all. But I had a good playlist that I was using and just forgot where it's at. Maybe this is it. I don't know. Should be fine. Fork and Mary did not help. It did. It brought ADA all the way up to like $1.50. That's when it brought it up. Remember, it's buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. And ADA does need Viagra. If you guys want to see a good Cardano video, I just posted it. Make sure you guys check it out. Share it with some of your friends. Go ahead, blow up the comments in there. Make sure you guys check out the Discord. I just posted it. We have about 400 members. Come in there and chat with me anytime. We got a bunch of good people in there that know stocks, cryptos. We'd love to have you in there. Thanks, man. I appreciate all the support of you guys. Love you guys so much. All right, Bitcoin needs to hit 49.34 to break above these EMA ribbons. Do you guys think that we can break above this in 30 minutes? Because I do. Unless we continue to trend down. So we're seeing some bearish momentum right now. But we're also seeing a double bottom on the 5-minute chart. KT asked a great question. How much of my portfolio is stocks versus cryptos? A greater percentage of my portfolio is cryptos. However, I actually have a big portion of my portfolio in crypto stocks. So that's how I make a lot of money, because I buy crypto stocks like Bitcoin mining companies that outperform Bitcoin and the underlying asset to 2 or 3 times. Does Doge typically trail Bitcoin? That's a great question. So we must understand that cryptocurrencies, they are all a part of the same market. So usually when one goes up, they all go up. Especially if the leader of the pack, Bitcoin, is the leader, probably will always remain the leader. If Bitcoin's up, generally all the other cryptos and the baby cryptos, the altcoins, as you want to call them, they will be up too. And if Bitcoin drops a good bit, you're going to see all the other cryptos most likely drop. So they move together. Stuart asked a great question, guys. And Stuart said, if you could pick one, Bitcoin or Ethereum, what would you invest in? If I can only pick one, I would probably do Bitcoin because it's more trusted. It has a greater market cap, which probably won't be surpassed at any point. And it's the winner in this. It's the winner in cryptos. So I'd rather have my money in the best. Ray, that's a good observation, which holds to be very true. And I do notice they spike in the evenings. 88 or Doge? Personally, I'd rather have 88. I'm looking at a Bitcoin chart right now, though. Alex says, I can see Ethereum doubling before Bitcoin does. You know, Ethereum is currently outperforming Bitcoin. So that could be very true. I believe that. Alright guys, what we're looking at right now is I pulled a fib chart on. And this is a Fibonacci retracement indicator. And basically what I do is I place the fib chart based on the high and the low of a particular period. And if we look at when Bitcoin jumped from about 20K to all the way up here, we see this level where it's trading at. And I need to correct some of this information. All right, where's 20K? I remember this. About right here. This is where this big run started. So we're gonna come here. It's called the retracement chart. It's very interesting. But basically we can see where Bitcoin retraced and at what levels. And it's this whole retracement chart is, there's a lot of mathematical formulas which tend to be always true. And it helps us to understand about how far a price movement could go down. So what we're looking at is when Bitcoin hit 42K. We're looking at a retracement chart. So Bitcoin was at 42K. And remember, Bitcoin fell all the way down to 30K. So Bitcoin trended in this level and we saw a double bottom. But after we went down, we consolidated for a time. So let's compare the Fibonacci retracement chart with our current retracement of Bitcoin. And what we are seeing is a stronger recovery faster. So last time we came back down, came up again, came back down further, and we stayed down. Here we went down for a little bit, but we bounced up hard and fast. See this darker green channel right here? It took us a while to get back up there. It took a double bottom to get into that level, and then we came down and then eventually went back up. But we're already retracing into this level, which shows a very, very strong price movement. It's a very bullish sign in my opinion. This is NIO. You guys familiar with the NIO car company in China? The EV maker in China, competitors with Tesla. I love this company here. Just taking a look at it. Seen a big rise today, but a little bit of a dip in the after hours, which I should be able to post here. Extended hours. It's not letting me hit the extended hours. It's all good. Let's go back to DOGECOIN though. Let's go ahead and throw a fib channel. Top of DOGECOIN. So we're still trending in this channel, guys. Look at that. But after this big dip, guys, look at this. DOGECOIN recovered very strongly, but we're seeing higher lows. So I wouldn't be surprised if we came back down. But once we break out of this channel right here, that's going to be awesome. That'd be a good time to buy it because we'd probably get a breakout if we can break out of this channel. Let's look. Every time we broke out of this channel, guys, we broke out. Big breakout. Every time we broke out, look at this. Big breakout. So it's very possible that we're obviously about to come up and test this. Let's see if we can get rejected. But if we can break out of here, history shows if we can break out, we get massive breakouts. Look at this breakout, guys. And each of them carries us into the next level. If we can break out of here, that would be incredible. Your favorite is Doge as far as scalping and trading goes. A lot of people actually do that. A lot of people scalp Dogecoin because it goes up and down, and you know when it hits a certain level, you can just go ahead and buy it and it's going to go up. Especially if you see a massive dip. So there's nothing wrong with that. So where's everybody from? Austin, Texas. We got Kansas, North Carolina, Cali. What's up, Cali? Virginia, Costa Rica, Communist California. That's funny. Michigan, India. Is the upgraded subscription to TradingView worth it? You don't need it. It's not necessary. Nolans, what's up, man? Guys, I just posted a link to my Patreon. If you guys are interested in my VIP Discord, you can click that. It's $5 a month. But I put out like my private trade alerts for stocks and cryptos. And I pay analysts thousands of dollars to give me stock picks every now and then, which I very consistently get. So they give me a full report, which I send you guys for free, and most of those stocks do very, very, very well. If you guys need a financial coach, you can also check me out through the Patreon. Rainier, shout out to you, brother. Arriba, Colorado. Crow a sleeper. Let's take a look at Crow, man. Should have Crow on this list. There we go. Ooh, look at that. I think Crow is a sleeper because they burned a lot of their market cap, their outstanding shares or coins, which makes each coin more valuable. So I like it. Let's see how much of a retracement we saw. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I want to do that. But from the all-time high, saw 53% gain. I mean, a 53% loss. But let's take a look at this retracement. 20% off that dip right there. Guys, that's why you always buy dips and not rips. Because you can make the greatest gains. Always buy the dips, guys. My advice is to only buy the dips unless you have something that goes up like every single day. Danita, where are you from? I didn't see where you said you're from. Because you said you're from the most boring place. Do I believe ADA has a chance of dropping back down to $1? If ADA dropped down to $1, I would be very happy. I would buy a shit ton of it. Very happy. Alright, let's take a look at Chainlink. F31, what's up, man? Brandon, how are you, man? What's up, apes? What's up, apes? How are you guys? Wichita, Kansas. JJ, what's up, brother? JJ, I seen your YouTube, man. I like some of your videos. It's pretty cool. I would not sell I would never sell my Bitcoin, but I would never sell my Bitcoin for Ethereum now. Unless you wanted to balance out a little bit, maybe have a stronger balance on one or the other. But you can't go wrong with either. Congrats, Brendan, for finally getting in the positive with Dogecoin. What do you think the chances of Bitcoin's market cap increasing? That would chop the price. Yeah, you, JJ. Bitcoin's market cap is going to continue to grow. The market cap grows when the price grows up. The market cap grows when the price grows. So when Bitcoin, I wonder how much we are at with Bitcoin right now. We need to go back to $1 trillion. I don't think we're there yet, but we should be very close. Let me see if I can pull it up. $900 billion. We are approximately $87 billion away from the $1 trillion market cap for Bitcoin. Cardano is up 20% in the last 7 days. All right, guys, we've seen some very good news with Bitcoin. And it says bullish Bitcoin miners cease selling for the first time since 2020. So data shows that Bitcoin miners have ceased taking profit and have started to once again hoard BTC for the first time since mid to late December. What's notable about this is the fact that the leading cryptocurrency by market cap appreciated in price by more than double during the sustained selling. If that's the case, what happens now once miners again withholding any Bitcoin from entering the already limited supply to buyers? So what we see in that news, guys, is that a lot of these Bitcoin miners, they were constantly selling and dumping and dumping and dumping Bitcoin. Ethereum as well. But now they've basically all stopped. So when big amounts of Bitcoin are stopped being dumped, that's going to help Bitcoin go up to incredible levels because Bitcoin is becoming more scarce, which is going to effectually raise the price up. thoughts on Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic is solid. It's going to continue to grow. It's growing fast. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the video. I appreciate it. Also, if you guys are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button if you like cryptocurrencies and stocks. Do everything investments. Okay, so Luke asked an incredible question. He says, what are your thoughts on putting mayonnaise in your water? I mean, I'm not necessarily opposed to it. It just depends on how much mayonnaise you want to put in the water. And how much water is in the water. But my question for you is, what are your thoughts on putting mayonnaise on a peanut butter sandwich? KT's getting hungry. Yeah, somebody told me about peanut butter and mayonnaise sandwich before, and I was like, that sounds crazy. But I'm a savage. I'm an ape. So I tried it, and it's pretty intense. What if you just take the water out of the mayo? Then mayo wouldn't be mayo. Its base is water. Did you guys have a good day in the market today? Anybody in stocks? Me to the moon. Yeah, that thing's taking off, isn't it? If you guys would do me a favor, if you guys are apes, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's put this live stream in the stratosphere. Dogecoin at the moment is coming in the $1,800 coin flip ATM machine. Alec, that would slash the price in half. eToro, have you guys ever heard of eToro? Yeah, I've heard of it. I don't use it though. This is Dogecoin right here, guys. You remember Grape Ape? I love Grape Ape. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Good idea. Look at this. Beautiful. We touched 1600 today, guys. Wonderful. We gotta close above it and hold it. Brennan, that's awesome, man. Hey guys, I appreciate your support so much. Make sure you guys check out that Patreon and Discord. Discord is like a chat group, and it's pretty cool. You guys can come chat with me anytime in a bunch. We have about 400 members. Make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Jay-Z, what's up, man? I was just looking at some fib channels on the Ethereum price. Right now with Ethereum, we're seeing a double bottom. But the second bottom is higher, which is even more bullish. Dogecoin is pumping, guys. It's the only cryptocurrency on my list that's in the green for the most part. Try crypto.com. XRP you should be able to buy on crypto.com as well. Alright guys, I'm going to bed in just a couple minutes. It's been a long day for me. You guys happy to see cryptos back up though? Bitcoin under 49. Let's see if we see a dump tonight. You must stay awake forever. It's not really unlimited in that sense. More coins can be mined, but they're not just going to add a bunch of coins. It doesn't happen like that. The only coins that could be added to the outstanding coins or outstanding balance of coins, they have to be mined. Oh, you're welcome. You think the Asians will pump it? That's awesome. I hope they do. Alright guys, it's time for me to go to bed. I love you guys. Appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys check out my latest Cardano video. Is Doge going up tonight? I think so. But make sure you guys check out my latest Cardano video. I think it's awesome. And I will see you guys tomorrow for sure. Let me know in the comments of my Cardano video what type of content you'd like to see, what type of videos. Or you guys can come to the Discord. What is a good entry for a Dogecoin? I'd wait for it to go back down a little bit. Good night, guys.